So by calculating this formula, (480) so 480 divided by 0.42, that is 1142. So when the selection chart lumens output, if 1142 is the standard lumens output calculated for this balcony area, and I want to select the CFL bulb, so it may be around 18 to 19 watt CFL bulb I need to choose. So 18 to 19 watt CFL bulb is around for the balcony area. So this is I have completed a typical flat for the electrical lighting layout. So I have completed this typical flat details. Then I want to copy this to the each area. For that, I can easily, as I can see, this flat is the typically mirror image of this flat, so I can directly mirror of this details of LED lights into this typical flat. For that, I will lock the layer first and unlock the LED light layer. This I'll prepare first the text. So here I will directly mirror this by taking the midpoint of here. So it will be looks like this. It is the same mirror image. Here also we need to install the same LED light, same CFL bulb. So this is what I completed. This typical floor has the typical flat of the mirror image. So I can easily mirror this two flat . I can definitely mirror this two flat with this typical flat, as well as this 4 flat with this typical flat. So here I have completed the input of the luminaires into each area, that is living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, WC, passage and the balcony. So you can see everywhere I have put the luminaires as per the requirement and as per the lux level calculation and the lumens output. By this I have mirror everything so it looks similar. These typical flats are look similar and the typical flat is on the typical floor, so I have mentioned like this. So this is what I completed, the luminaire installation into the typical flat. Let us talk about how to connect the looping with this typical flat. We need to install the lighting, the luminaires into the passage area, that is the normal lighting as well as the emergency lighting. Into the passage we will install the normal lighting and the emergency lighting step by step. For that I need to prepare the legend accordingly.